What's good, everyone? It's your boy Kyle here, co-founder of Slapstocks, and welcome to Sunday Stock Talk. Let's see, what do we got today going on? So just to let everyone know who's new to this, that whenever I do these, it's my first time looking at the markets for the week, so I do everything for the first time for you guys, so you see how I look at things. And yeah, so right now we're looking at the S&P 500 future right now, which is currently up 8 points. It was up more. It was up 10 points at this high here. So it is coming down. We had a beautiful run up Friday. This was just insane. This was perfect. This is exactly what we needed here. Um, let's see. SPY and how they correlate. Yeah, so there's that nice breakout that we had happening here for the push up. We are in this area. We did drop, but we gapped upwards. So our SPY is sitting like right here, 329.50 range. Let's see. This level is, yeah, okay. Okay. Um, let me just show you what I'm looking at. This level is the range where it was bouncing off of, and here is the resistance here. So right now we're kind of falling back down here, so I'd expect us to kind of, we may drop slightly on Monday. I want to say if we don't catch support within these general areas here, like in these areas here, we don't catch support here, we're going to look for a retest here. And if we can stay above here, that'll show clear bullish signs for a push upwards to these levels here. So these levels here are from this right here. This is right before that massive gap down that we had. So that's why I have these two levels marked right here, because this is a big range. And then if we can break out of this range right here, we're going to try and reach for pre-COVID all-time highs again. But with election and everything coming up and the market still kind of digesting news and whatnot, I kind of would expect us to stay probably within this general range for quite some time until we can figure out basically what's going on. And by the time I think we figure out what's going on, election's going to come around, and once election comes around, we'll be able to determine because depending who's elected, we'll be able to see if we're going to go back upwards to try and rally again for the next 4 years, possibly, or we're going to dump and may crash. Who knows what's going to happen? So, but yeah, so I see us staying within this general range right here, this 321 to 328 range for this week. If we can break out of that, like I said, we'll go from 328 to 332, this range. That's what I'm looking for this week. And I mean, if we can even break out of that, that'd be even better. But that's just what I see for right now. So, what I need for everyone to do is just type in ticker symbols for me to look at. See, we got Nvidia, Disney, Baba, Tesla, Unity. Unity? What is that? Let me put SPY, I don't know, like ESC here. The talks. And over here, I'm just switch. Unity. Unity software? These people? Yeah. Oh, come on. God, how did I even do this? What the hell? Oh, I'm so confused now. Hold on. What did I do? Um, I'm so confused. Let's see if I can make this work. I'll figure it out later. I'll just make this work though. Let's see here. Okay. So, sorry, this completely screwed me up here. I'm trying to figure this out. I'll just switch to here. We'll just use. All right. We'll start with BA. All right. So BA does have a nice. Okay, this is nice here. Has clear support shown at this 144 range right here. That's 144 to 145 area. This level, there's support here. Didn't want to get below that really. And then Friday had a nice run up with the markets as well to a high of 158.10, which is at right now. Let's see here. Yeah, so I found clear consolidation here, which is nice to see. And then it shows strong momentum pushing upwards here. You can see it showing with the volume as well. That strong push heading upward. And it's retesting a resistance right here. So if I'll just change this up real quick. Just to put this side by side for you guys. Yeah, here we go, 4 hours. Okay, so just to kind of put this side by side, BA is right here. We did gap up here. Which would mean BA would, if BA were to open right now, it'd open up at like this 159 level here. So just right at this resistance. So if futures can continue to push up here and break 329, 3298 here, I can see Boeing pushing upwards to 162, 160, 162, 161, 80, 76. That's a big candle down. We're pushing down here. We just went from 7 to 5. What is this? A 4-point candle. 5 points now, almost. But yeah. Okay, so with this move, it looks like we're kind of heading downwards. I'm going to expect us to catch support here at previous resistance. If we don't, then we may dump lower. So if that's the case, then watch Boeing to get rejected at this 158.8 level and go back down to 155.09 for the support bounce here. If it can't catch support there, expect it to go back down on 152. Let's see what else. I'll do Apple. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so Apple has had a nice run up the past couple days right there. My leaps are doing well. They're up, I think, like $60 or so. I don't know exactly, but let's see here. We got that forming there. What else? And we have this forming there. So we're just right above it. We can continue to push up because here's previous support around like this area here. Come on. There we go. So yeah, like right there, we have this push up happening here. This resistance level. It's kind of bouncing off of it, honestly. It looks like. Actually, not real. Yeah, it bounced right off of it right there for that push down. So, if we can get this nice push upwards here, I'd expect us to open up at least at 113. And if we can open up at 113, let's look for a retest on 112.52 for the next push upwards to 114. And then that'll confirm this breakout here. And then our next level we'll look for is 118 and 120, which is my take profit zone. And once it reaches that, we should be up at least like $300 to $500 a contract, depending how quick you can do it. So that's what I'm expecting to happen here. And I just need this to happen by December for our leaps to make at least $300 on them. So that's what I'm looking for with Apple. But if not, expect a dip down to 110.82. And maybe for some consolidation to happen here for maybe a nice squeeze upwards. But yeah, if we get back into this range, look for a squeeze up there or a flush down to 108. Those are what we have to look for here. Let's see what else. I'll do Unity just because we were talking about it. Alrighty, let's see, what is this company? Yeah, Unity Software. Did they just IPO? Turing, did Unity just IPO? It looks like it. I mean, let's see if I can find news. First buy rating, yeah, so it looks like they just IPO'd. Unity raises IPO. Yeah, so they just IPO'd it. Nice. They've been showing significant growth upwards. What happens with IPOs is I like to wait for the earnings, because you'll always see a nice run up that'll happen, but most companies have nothing to show. So it's just all hype, you know? It's just all hype. You have to wait at least a bit, in my opinion. And another thing I've learned too is that there has to be a decent amount of them traded. Let's see here. So it has 3,681,670 volume. How many shares does Unity have? See, so it was only trading with 20 million shares. Let's see. I don't know. I can't find an exact amount. But I'd assume it looks more like, I don't know exactly here. I couldn't tell you for sure. There's not much data here yet. I gotta wait for more for this one for sure. Uh, they need at least an earnings in my opinion, cause or else they could end up like Nikola, you know, massive run up. They had nothing to prove, so when they had their first earnings, they completely just bombed it, and it just yeah. Who's trading Unity? Let's see. Yeah, I'll do Roku next. Nice push up happening here. See if we can continue. Just do that. Roku. Hit a high. It's falling. Fell hard. But looks like it's still trying to push upwards. Had a nice breakout here. That's for sure. That's a good breakout right there for the nice pop upwards. Then it found support at previous resistance. And then what else? Let's see here. What else do we got? Nice push up happening. Let's see. Nah. Let's see what else. I'd wait for this one a little bit here. I feel like a good entry for this to bounce out would be around this range here, this 170 to 168, or this 170 to 166 range, 164, around this area right here, because this would be a nice bounce upward. But also, since this is the daily, this candle right here shows kind of like indecision, doesn't know what it wants to do after these downfalls here. So what it could be trying to do here is making another leg upwards above this level here, this 185.5 level. And if it can do that, I can see it trying to go back up to 190. If it can get back up at 190, then it's going to go back to 194, 195. But if it can't push above, in my opinion, if it can't push above 185.5, it's going to go back down to 178. After 178, let's look for like let's look for these levels here, these 170s. These 175 to 170 to 169. Just look for that range on the downside. Let's see what else. Fine, I'll do Tesla. Not looking that bad right now. Let's see. Look at all that volume. Look at all those shares. Insane. Especially right here. This day went wild. Let's see here. Let's see. So they split. And they fell down. They came back up. They fell down. They're coming back up. They got a nice trend forming here. From here to here. And from here to here. As well as this. With, let's see here. Yeah, I'll consider this one right here for now. Until it can break up above that, that's a resistance in my opinion. Let's see. A break above this 411 level. Look for 422 to 426. Taking above 426, start looking for like this 437 range for a nice push up. And actually, I don't even like that. I don't even, hold on, let me change this up here. This is off. There we go, that looks better. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. There we go. Yeah. So break above this 411.6 level, look for 425 to 426 here. After this, look for a push up above this resistance trend here for 449, 450 here. If you can get above here, then then it's going to be nice. But it's still down from initial stock split right here, which is not good. Which is not good because now it's stuck in this range here. So yeah, Tesla needs to break out here first, in my opinion. But yeah, if it doesn't break out here, look for it to go back down of 397 to 393. After 393, look for 384.8. And then after that, look for this support level here of 365.31. Let's see what else. I'll do CRM. All right, let's go. CRM. Oh, this one's already showing weakness. If it can break out, though, that'd be cool. Has to break out from that first. That's this here. Just kind of lower that down. That range, we got a support level here. What else? What else? What else? There's a nice push happening upwards. My fan's kind of loud. Let's see what else. What else? Yeah, I think that's good for right now. Okay, so yeah, so it is in a downtrend here. It does have to break above this 4. Let's give it. It's gonna open here tomorrow, so it can open within this range here, this 4. Look for a break tomorrow above like 443. If you can get a clean break above 443 tomorrow, that'd be nice for some calls to 448. For the downside, if it breaks this 240 level, look for like 239. If it breaks 239, look for 236, then 233.5. Then of course on the upside, like I said, after this break here, this 244, after this break of 244, we'll say, look for 248, then 255. Let's do spot UPS. Yeah, I'll do spot. Mr. Joe Rogan. Let's see here. spot showing some nice support forming. The nice bounce happening there. Right at this level. Nice break that happened there. That was a nice break upwards. It's resistance right here. Going up again there. So it's starting to form like an ascending triangle, a bullish triangle I like to call them. It did break above this resistance here of 334 to 3. It's up at 335 now. It looks like it hit a high of 336 basic. Yeah, 336.34. If it can open up again around this range here, if it can stay above 336, look for 337.72. If it can't stay above 336 and it starts pushing downward, start looking for 334. A break below 336, look for like 334 to 330, 330. If you get no bounce that happens here, then then it should keep on dropping. Let's see here. Yeah, so if it can't support at this 332 level, expect it to drop. Like, yeah, right here. If it can't catch support here at this 332 level, expect it to flush to 228 or 230. Oh, what the hell? Let's see. We'll do UPS. They actually had a nice run up. Let me see FedEx real quick. Yeah, both them and FedEx did. Nice. Here, just need to hold a little bit better. Yeah, so nice push upwards. Kind of dropped down. And after hours. Beautiful push up after their earnings call. They're kind of trending right here. Resistance up here. Another one right here, I'd say. I mean, be careful for a possible like head and shoulders type pattern that could form. You know, you have like the push upwards, then you got the push downwards, you have the head here, push downwards again, like here, yeah. You get your push upward to form that next shoulder line, and be careful for this down push. Be careful for this downside that could happen here. It's the only thing I see with UPS right now. Is this possible head and shoulders. Like I said, it's possible. Just because of the way it looks, in my opinion, there. So I'd kind of be on the lookout for that. Because if this does happen, then we'll see a drop to 162. If it can break 165, look for 164, then 162. And then after 162, yeah, expect it to just keep going down till like 159, 158 range, around there. But if this doesn't happen and it breaks up, expect it to try and push for new all-time highs above one. So it had to break above 166.90, 167. After 167, look for a push to at least 168 to 168.9. If it can break above 168.9, then it should go back up to 170 to again form those new all-time highs. But yeah, I kind of see the head and shoulders happening more honestly on UPS than anything. Kind of want to send an alert right here. See what happens. Let's go right here. Perfect. There we go. Got my range set up. We'll do BAC. It is kind of bouncing here. What levels I had back there? Mean much. I just wanted to do these. Hold on, I gotta check that back. Oh, it's not even working. It's kind of hard, honestly. Not really. I mean, it is forming consolidation right there at this level, the 323 level, but honestly, just keep it right there. That's all I can see for right now forming, but like, if it can get above this 23.5 level right here, 23.5, look for 23.8 to 24, but I kind of see more downside. I kind of see more downside to like 122 at least to 120 if it continues to fall. Which it looks like it could possibly still. Because if it breaks below this 23.21 level, it's gonna go down to at least 22, in my opinion. I'll do. Let's see, what else should I do next? Video. Nvidia, let's see here. What do we got? Future's making a nice push up here, actually. I like that. Let's see. I like that forming. There is this right here. I can move that down a bit. There we go. Perfect. Okay, cool. So I got a nice break up above this 505 level to 512 or to 513 or 515. So I have 515.34. Expected to try and drop back down a 505.8, 506 range to try and push back up again because it still does kind of, I'd say. I'd just say I have this here. It's not many points, but still, just kind of watch out for that in case something happens. Not much else. Yeah, I mean, not really anything else for this one. So, this is actually pretty easy then for this. I'd say a nice break above 515, 5.515. Start looking for like 520. After 520, look for 525. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was beautiful right here. That would have been a nice entry. 5, 6. Look at that nice push that we're getting. We're back up 9 points now. Like I said, we just have to get above 3298 in order for us to really rally. But yeah, so if we can get above, like I said, this 515 level, look for 520 to 525. If we don't look for a break below 510 to 504.9, 505, then after that look for 499.5, 0.6. But yeah, let's see what else do you guys want. I'll do AA, yeah. Look at that, nice. Massive buy orders coming. Those were the big buy orders right there, taking place right there again, there again. Nice. That was a beautiful pump up there. AAL, I've been wanting to long this. Yeah, I actually really want to long AAL really badly. Grab some leaps for it. But I kind of want to wait for a retest of like 12. I actually like Dalmore for airlines, if we're going to be honest here, than American Airlines. Just going to say that. Just because they move nicer, in my opinion. But AAL is showing a really nice and strong momentum push upwards. Hopefully it can reach back to a high of 30. That'd be crazy if it could. Be insane. Which I think it will. That's why I'm thinking of longing it. Maybe just grabbing some equity. Honestly, maybe just grabbing some equity now. And then wait to buy the calls later. But yeah, let's see. Break above 12.71. This could just keep on running to at least 13.2. But if not, like I said, look for it to start consolidating down to the downside for at least 12.2. I look for like 12.2. That'd be a nice spot. And if it gets below 12.2, then look for 11.7. Alright, I'm gonna do one more and that's it. Let's see, what do you guys want? And then I'll just probably do Amazon. Alrighty, I'm gonna do Amazon. Oh, look at that. Futures are pushing upwards. Just gotta get above here. Yeah, I've already been looking at this for a while. It does need to break above here. I really want it to break above this trend. If it can break above this trend, I'm going to look for the upside to 3139. Above 3139, look for 319. And then after 319, look for 3292. But if Amazon keeps rejecting here, look for the downside to begin here for a push downwards below 37.84. After 37.84, look for the 3,000 flat, I'd say. Amazon PT upgrade on Friday. I mean, yeah, but how's I think it really just matters on SPY in my opinion. If we can get above here, I'll see Amazon running, but if we don't, Amazon's staying within this trend here. Doesn't matter about the upgrade in my opinion. If the upgrade does play an effect, then that'll be nice because then that'll carry SPY upwards. So we'll see what happens during pre-market for that. But yeah, that'll wrap up this Sunday Stock Talk. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and thumbs up. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're almost at 1,000 subs. That'll be awesome. That'd be awesome if we could hit 1,000. So please do that for me if you can. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, have a good rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you on Monday. Oh yeah, challenge account starts Monday. Let me show you guys right here. Stock buying power, $500. Let's look at our positions. No working orders, no filled orders. We have nothing here. No rolling strategies. See? Completely clean here. This is 100% just a $500 account that we're going to be trading penny stocks with our penny stock analyst Drew within our chat here. I'll just be literally waking up in the morning super early with him, tuning into his live stream. Let me see if I can find where that'll be at, so I'm not lost. Live trading. I'll tune in every morning, and then I'll just watch what he does, as well as watch the watch list that he posts. Where are they? Where are they? Here we go. Yep, I'll watch these right here. And then I'll just relay them back to this channel right here for you guys to follow. And I'll post my weekly, or I don't know if I'll do weekly or daily. I may just do daily updates. I feel like that'd be easier, look, kinda. But I'll decide on that tomorrow. But yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this. And yeah, this challenge is going to be fun. Let's get to it. Have a great rest of your guys.